Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to install an LK screen protector on Apple Watch. So the first thing you're probably going to want to do is just wash your hands. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take your Apple Watch, and I'm just going to power it off by holding this side button and sliding to power off. Now we can begin the process. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just remove the old screen protector. See, it's loading as it powers off. Now, you should find in your kit one of these. And this is your base, which you're going to put the watch on while you work on it. So go ahead and get this out. It may look like a piece of padded foam for you, just in the shape of a circle. And you just want to plant this firmly on the surface, your work surface. So I just go ahead and shove it down. Now, what you can go ahead and do is by pressing in on this button here, slide the bands off, and I like to keep track of which band is which while I'm doing this, so that I know and keep the watch in the correct orientation. And so now that we're here, seat the watch firmly so that this circular thing is in the hole here. And then you can go ahead and find one of these wet wipes, which if you didn't already have in your kit, it's just a regular old isopropyl alcohol wipe. And so go ahead and tear the packaging off. And we're just going to wipe down the screen with the wet wipe. And once you're done with this, you can see while the screen is still wet, go ahead and find your microfiber wipe and just go ahead and dry up the residue from the alcohol wipe. Once that's done, you can place that off to the side. And now I'm going to grab the dust absorber. Should be on a little plastic paper like this. So just go ahead and grab it here and pull it off. And now just dab it lightly over the watch. You might want to hold the watch here because it might not stay firmly planted. Oh, it looks like it turned back on. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut it off again. All right. Make sure to get on the edges too. All right. Now once that's done, you can grab the actual screen protector. Should be in a package like this with multiple, depending on which screen protector kit you bought. So I'm just going to remove one from the package, and here it's going to slide out of its individual packaging. So now here's the screen protector. So now what you have to do is go ahead and remove the first back layer labeled as 1. You can see right here. Go ahead and pull this off. I'm just going to grip the sides of this while I do it. And now you can place this over the top of the watch. And for this stage, it's nothing final, so if you don't get it quite centered the first time, you can just pick it up and move it. Alright, so once that's on there, now you're going to go and grab this, which is a squeegee, and pull out of its plastic, and just use this to press out any of the little air bubbles, which may be on the screen protector. Again, this is not the final layer of the screen protector, so don't worry about it too much. And once it looks good, now you can go ahead and pull up tab number 2, and this is kind of a little bit tricky, as you can see though. This is tab number 2 up here at the top. And so I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, that's just a sticker. You don't need it. You can pull this up halfway. So stick your squeegee halfway at this line and go ahead and pull this up to halfway. And now with that, like that, hold this down. You can peel this away. And now you're just going to press with the squeegee to place the screen down on there. And now we're going to do the same thing with tab number 3, which is this one right here. Just go ahead and put the squeegee right here, lift up tab number 3, and then pull it back like that. Now this is where you definitely want to get all the little air bubbles out, because this is now the final screen protector making contact with the actual screen. So now you can go ahead and pull up tab number 4. And as you can see, the edges of the screen protector may not have quite fully adhered to the edges of the screen over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the little squeegee, or you can use your fingers at this point to just tap the edges of the screen protector down on here. And once all little air bubbles are out, as you can see, the watch is already turning back on its own. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the wristbands back on here, which are still in the same orientation. So hopefully your watch is still in the same orientation, so when they slide back on, it should just fit right back into place, no problem. You do want to make sure that the side of this, which is like indented, is on the bottom side of the watch. And now, should fit. All right, thanks for watching.